Let's bring in the CEO, Andrew Chanin, returns to us this morning. All right, Andrew, tell me, you're a pure play in space. What's in stocks? Which companies are in your ETF?
So right now, some of our top holdings include companies like Orbcomm, Maxar, Virgin Galactic. We have many satellite companies, the manufacturers, as well as the operators, launch companies, and we even have some of the more diversified aerospace and defense names.
So this is a pure play, right? I mean, there's no extraneous factors here. I put money into your ETF, and I am betting on the expansion of private enterprise space operations in the years to come. That's why I would buy into you, correct?
So the index that our fund tracks actually looks for space revenues that these companies are making. So at least 80% of the index needs to be focused on companies deriving a majority of their revenues from space-related businesses, activities, and services, while still also realizing that some of the major diversified aerospace and defense players do have a very large presence in space. Up to 20% of the underlying index can be in some of these more diversified names, but they're still either making over 500 million in annual revenues from space, or it's still over 20% of their revenues, but less than 50%.
Okay. I hate to bring this up, but I have to. The Pentagon's UFO report is going to be released any day. Where does that relate to space stocks? And is it a good thing to be talking about UFOs just because it brings attention to space?
I certainly think it's a conversation that needs to be had. And if you think about it, we've been hearing for the last year and a half that we need to trust in the science. We need to believe in the science. And frankly, there's not enough science being done to understand these hundreds of documented reports from the military, from Air Force and Navy pilots that have actually observed and witnessed these various crafts, and we can't explain what they are. So at a minimum, we need to get a better idea of what these are. If these are our foreign adversaries that have leapfrogged us by 100 years of technological advances, or whether it's potentially another life form that we've never encountered, we need to understand these technologies, realize if they pose a threat, and see what we can also learn from them. And maybe we have the ability to learn from these technologies and implement them ourselves. And I think that would be something that would be truly incredible, not just for the space industry, but for humanity as well.
Andrew, I can tell that the UFO report is going to do you a lot of good. And if it doesn't, you'll make it do you a lot of good. I can tell. I know where you're coming from, lad. Okay, one last one. What's the dark cloud on your private space horizon? What is it?
You know, I think space debris is something that is a very real possibility of being an issue. We have currently under 3,000 orbiting operational satellites, and we hear about some of the new players coming into the market, and they want to launch tens of thousands of satellites into low Earth orbit. And to the extent that that could cause additional debris and traffic, these are potential risks. And certainly, hopefully that could also create a new emerging economy that can help us remove or harness some of this debris so that we can use it in outer space.
Space debris. I never thought you were going to answer that question with that answer, but you did. Hey, Andrew Chanin, thanks very much for being with us. We'll track your space ETF. Thanks for being here today.